animals have some approximation of these systems, right? Although we use humans to show them. Which of these belongs to a shark? Which of these belongs to the seal? Zach?
The sharp ones and probably the long ones.
Probably. What does the shark eat? It has to capture prey, it has to rip it apart, right? What does the seal eat? It tells us in the question.
Fish.
Yeah, right? It filters krill and stuff the way that, like, sort of the whales, some of the bigger whales do. So these teeth are more adapted to filtering krill.
Wait.
This goes back to the whole discussion of structure and function, right? What do all animals have in common? What do they all have to do? That is, the purpose is served by these things. Yeah. The purpose is served by these things right here. They all have to eat, right? All animals have to eat. But they've all adapted to have different diets or whatever, right? So they have different structures that accomplish that common function. The same way that the Anyanga plant, which we all wrote terrible CER paragraphs about.
Everybody?
Pretty much everybody. The same way that Anyanga plant has a specialized structure to accomplish the basic general function of getting water. All plants need to get water. It has a special structure that helps it do it because its environment is challenging. Same here, right? These guys have the same basic goal, basic function, but they use different structures to accomplish that goal because on a more complex level they have different needs. Same thing for respiratory system, right? We all breathe in. When you breathe in, where does that air go? Someone tell me about the path of that air. Yeah.
Go to the blood, I think? No.
Well, the air itself does not go to your blood. Yeah.
It fills the lungs, and the lungs kind of, I want to say, process the air and filter it into the blood.
Sure. So it goes through your trachea, down into your bronchi, which are small tubes that go into your lungs, into sacs inside of your lungs called alveoli, right?
What's the second?
Bronchioles doesn't matter.
Does that like have to do anything with bronchitis?
A little bit, yeah. It's an infection that goes. So then your blood passes through your alveoli, and the membrane between your alveoli and your bloodstream is very thin, and it's thin enough to allow oxygen and carbon dioxide molecules to pass across the membrane, right? Do fish do that?
No.
So how do fish get oxygen?
They filter it through the water.
Gills. They have gills.
They have gills. They filter oxygen from the water. So the water passes over their gills, and there is dissolved oxygen in the water, which we learned at camp, right? We didn't test the water. There's dissolved oxygen in the water, and the membrane that's in our alveoli is in their gills, and that membrane allows oxygen and carbon dioxide to be transferred between the blood and the water, rather than having to breathe air into their body. What's the same basic function or basic goal here? What's the purpose of respiration? Yeah. To get, not breathe, but what are they trying to get into their body, into their bloodstream? Oxygen. All animals need oxygen to be able to get energy, right? Oxygen is necessary to get energy from food. Without oxygen, we can't do that. So they've all specialized different structures that allow them to perform the same common function. You see a theme here.
Yes.
Structure and function. Yeah.
In the lungs, are the alveoli scattered throughout? It's like
So
filled
your
with
lungs
alveoli.
are just a collection of a bunch of alveoli.
Okay, so
Or
essentially it's made up of alveoli.
Yeah.
Not just the outside lining.
this frog is cool. Beverly pointed out earlier. It's similar to a fish, right? It doesn't have gills, but this frog, a lot of amphibians, can absorb oxygen directly from the water through their skin. Their skin sort of forms that very thin membrane that you would find on like a fish gill or inside of our lungs. So they don't have to breathe air in and breathe air out, which is good for them. I guess we're going to answer those questions. So you wanted to check what you had for that one? That's
Done.
Yours are written blanks. We'll do it. Cool. Pick up right there. That takes us at the end of 85. So read on to 86, 87. Make sure that we're answering all the questions. The question at the end of 87 about the insect and the spiracles. is an important one that we understand. So continue.
Ew. What kind of frog is this?
The mutant frog. It sees
Oh
through
my
the
gosh,
skin.
that's so weird.
And that's its bone. Oh my god. I'm gonna buy that.
I want one. Pet mutant frog.
Oh,
These various broccoli questions is how you
In Russia.
and Rusa. That's Alex. Oh. Wait, what are we doing? 'Cause I'm lost.
I want a mutant frog. Mr. Shackley?
We have 5 minutes of class left.
yeah, they should have done. So I guess I
Isabella? Do people have pet mutant frogs? Because I want one. I want one.
I don't think you can get
Have you seen a mutant frog? Because they're adorable.
They're so cute. Like clear and then little red little bones.
And they're really cute. And
You want a mutant Ninja Turtle?
yeah, no, it's a frog.
mutant frog.
You can literally see its bones. Look, show him.
Mutant frog.
Yeah, look. Like, no kidding. Show Mr. Shackley.
That's a mutant.
Mr. Shackley.
It looks like
That's crazy.
That looks like slime in a. Huh? I know.
no.
Use a sticker.
Okay, let's talk about the spherical thing real quick. So, in that last question, it tells us that insects along their body have these openings called spiracles. We're on it might be ahead of you. We're on page 87. And it tells us that can I see real quick? It tells us that insects exchange gases. Insects exchange gases with their environment through internal tubes called tracheae. The tubes branch to all parts of the insect's body, blah, 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 blah. They have openings on their segments called spiracles, right? So if you look in that picture, there are little, like, mouth openings all along the side of the insect. Cool, right? So they don't have to breathe air in. They just take air in those holes, and it goes around their body. Why would they need hairs around those holes? Think of the fact that you have like hairs in your nose, hairs and wax in your ear. Yeah.
Oh, so it filters the air so dust goes in.
Yeah, filter might not be the word I use, but it stops dust and debris from getting into their spherical holes, right? The same way that hair helps protect your nose from getting a bunch of gunk inside of it, because it's just an opening, it's sitting there open, right? And we don't want stuff that's going to get in there to get us, let us get sick. So the same way with the insect, it has these hairs which protect, the hairs serve to protect the opening.
Is that how boogers are?
No, boogers are produced by mucus in your nose, because your nose is producing mucus to keep the surface of inside of your nose like moist. Otherwise, it would get dried out, right? That's the only opening in your body that's open to the world. So it's producing mucus to keep it kind of moist in there. That's the extra mucus is what is. Yeah. It's sort of like Samana. It's exactly like that.
It's been exactly on top. Yeah, see, now you can't see it. Oh my god, you're really bad at that.
Put them both on at the same time.
It's not even on it.
Yeah, if you rip out the gill, it's kind of like that. No gill basically of it.
See it. Cover the camera.
Yeah, and then they can't. They basically can't breathe. Like if someone took a knife.
I'm not ready for football today. Yes, kid. Yes, kid. Okay, so we gotta have to go. Class ends in a minute.
It doesn't look like the greatest use of our time. You have a book, right? So you don't need
Yeah.
a computer. Just go ahead and